Greetings, everybody. Welcome. This is our first video right now on our Supremacy Culture FX YouTube channel. Been thinking to do this for a very long time now. I guess we're getting started now. All right. Often we will be posting such videos, and yeah, man, let's dig into it. I don't know how often we're doing this, but then let's flip and go. I'm looking at the pound USD specifically. Basically I'm gonna do I'm gonna basically look at the whole thing from the quarterly perspective. Quarterly time frame, clearly, right? Price, it went below here, right there, right? If I look at the rally that it did coming from this level here, coming down, it was coming down here, and the reason why it was coming down here is because of how the market works, the market psychology. Everybody who was buying here, they were taken out clearly, right? Now the market objective, clearly on the quarterly, I can see right here, that's where the objective for the market is right there. That's where the market is trying to go at, right there. That's where the market is trying to reach at, right? With that in my mind, with us knowing that, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to my monthly time frame to see what's really happening, and clearly I can see that, okay, right here, the market, you need to understand the market psychology to be at least at some level of profitability and consistency, and personally to equalize your psychology, your human behavior psychology, and the market psychology. So you need to understand the market psychology first of all before you can actually do anything. Right here, the market is taken out everybody who was selling, right? So on my perspective, what's going to happen right now on the pound USD, I actually believe there's a big move right now that's in place, the big move that's going to happen really soon, as we're talking about February, March, as we go into March, which is our quarterly, man, our first quarter of the year of 2021. Okay. With that being said, right there, okay, that's my psychological level right there, my institutional level right here, which is clearly, it's 140 right there. No, it's actually, wait, let me just do that right there. It's actually, give me a second, 138, 123 right there, right? That's the next institutional key level that the pound USD is actually coming for right now currently, and the lowest point in that range is 132, 135. So I'll say 135,000 right there, right? That's another point in which this thing right there, it's about to come for, right there, 135,000 right there. And also, if we do break this, then we're going to come into our 140, right there, 140. Just put that right there clearly and clean, 140 right there. So this is the range that the pound USD is trading in currently. We do see that liquidity has been on the upside, and the market is clearly taking out that liquidity above there. So now market needs to reset, right? Market needs to reset. You can see market, what is done here, it's been spiking all right here at 35,000. Doing that, 3,500, doing that, it's been actually collecting volume. Volume has been collected to take it all the way to 38,000. So now what I'm expecting right now currently on this right here, on the pound USD, what I'm actually expecting is for the market to reset, right? I believe the market has to reset all the way, taking out everybody who literally has been buying thus far. So weekly time frame, right there, right here, I'm now expecting take out everyone who, before we can actually make the move to the downside, I'm expecting the market to take out everyone who literally has been buying. And then when everyone is cleared, I'm expecting market to come back to retest this 35,000, right? And knowing my quarterly objective on what's happening, as a market can just do that, fake out everybody, right? And then come back above as such, and then may give us a retest right here, and then move right up to meet this objective right here. So that's my perspective on this right here. So me knowing that what I'm now gonna do is that, actually, Dan, let me not confuse you, let me leave this alone, let me go back to where I'm at. Right there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clearly should I not, I just want to highlight this level right here, understanding that, okay, market can come into this level right there, right? Market needs to come into this level here as well, and potentially come up here. January right now, February coming through, expectancy of what I'm seeing on the market, what's going to happen, right? Is a market has a high probability of coming down now. It needs to reset, it needs to come and take out everybody. So as soon as market goes above, or market comes in touch this line right here, I'm looking to sell that. Actually, I'll be looking to sell that as such, right? Coming all the way here, 4-to-1 trade, 4-to-1 trade. Let's actually narrow that down a little bit more. Right there, right here. So I'm expecting market to come above this level right here. As soon as it does that, right, I also realize over the past week right now the market has been in consolidation. The market has been consolidating this whole flipping time. There was nothing productive actually happening right there on the bigger time frame of things. Right there, clearly you can see that the market has been right there. Market has been consolidating even on the 4-hour time frame. Clearly you can see that market has been consolidating. Right, so since market has been consolidating, now I'm expecting market to break out of that. I'm expecting market to break out of this, and then I'm expecting a huge fall on the sterling right there. This is not any financial advice or anything like that. It's basically I'm speaking my own mind, my own personal views on what I'm seeing that can currently take place on the market. All right, if you want to do this, you can do this on your demo account, right? Yeah, man, and that's where I stand. I'm just speaking my mind right here. It's not any financial advice on anyone. With that being said, yeah, man, that's what I'm seeing right now currently on the pound USD, pound sterling, coming into this coming 2 weeks, right? Actually, coming into February, March, I'm expecting this thing to give me some sort of fall here, and then maybe we can potentially go upside. That's what I'm seeing on the sterling right now. Currently, what's going to take place? Let's see. Let's flip and see what can literally happen. Let's wait for it. Let's flip and wait for it. Yeah, man. Welcome to Supremacy Culture Technicals. This is Supremacy Sunday. Yeah, we'll be posting these type of videos more often, but only when we have to. Only when we have to. So yeah, man. Logging off. You guys enjoy.